Unity through flavor, serai. Serai, flavor of Malaysian food. In Malaysia, the herb, lemongrass is a common household plant and important culinary ingredients. Locally, it is called as serai. Malaysian food is known for its intense flavors, which come from a blend of spices and herbs influenced by Malay, Chinese, and Indian cooking. In all types of foods, lemongrass is used for its aroma. The essential oil contained in their leaves has stronger lemon odor. Due to this reason, the herb is called as lemongrass. Lemongrass adds a distinct citrusy, slightly sweet, and herbal flavor to dishes. It's used in curries, varieties of sambals, biryani, kuruma, soups like tom yum, mee, Malaysian rendang, nasi kerabu, mee hoon, stews, stir-fries, and marinades. Aromatic base. It's often used as an aromatic base in many Southeast Asian dishes, contributing to the overall fragrance and depth of flavor. Beverages. Lemongrass tea is a popular and refreshing drink, known for its soothing properties. It's also used in other beverages, like iced drinks and cocktails. Preparation. The lower, fleshy part of the lemongrass stalk is typically used in cooking. It can be bruised, crushed, finely chopped, or blended to release its flavor. Sometimes the whole stalk is added to a dish and removed before serving. Other uses. Lemongrass is also used to add flavor to grilling oils. In essence, lemongrass is a versatile ingredient that adds a bright and refreshing flavor to a wide range of dishes and drinks. Flavour of lemongrass brings people together, transcending cultural, social, and ethnic boundaries. Medical uses. Lemongrass is used as a mild diuretic to promote perspiration for treating kidney trouble. The paste prepared from leaves is used for treating headaches and rheumatism. Extract of lemongrass is a good mosquito repellent. A decoction of the leaves and roots is consumed to ease urinary problems and stomach aches. The extract from roots is used as a fragrance in shampoo and perfumes. Scientific name of lemongrass is cymbopogan citratus. It belongs to the plant family Gramineae, also known as Poaceae, commonly known as grass family. This aromatic grass family member is native of South and Southeast Asia. It is a perennial herb. Cluster of leaves grows from a stout rhizome. It can grow up to a height of 1 meter. The leaves are sessile, simple parallel venation. Linear with pointed tip and sheathing base. The leaf sheath is tubular and acts as a pseudostem. It produces flowers at a very matured stage of growth. Lemongrass is a very hardy crop and can adapt itself to a variety of soil and climatic conditions. However, it grows well in tropical climate and aerated soil. Serai or lemongrass is a fantastic herb to grow at home. It is relatively easy to cultivate, even for beginner gardeners. It thrives in warm, sunny locations, which receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. The easiest way to propagate serai is from cuttings. It can grow from store-bought, fresh stalks also. In that case, stalks need to be placed in a glass of water, and water needs to be changed every couple of days. Once roots develop, it can be planted. Soil should be moist, but not waterlogged. Once established, it is fairly drought-tolerant. It can be harvested when the plant is about 1 foot tall. Enjoy the delightful flavor and aroma of cultural unity from homegrown lemongrass at the backyard.